You know, there's no place like home for the holidays, and I hope that you'll be celebrating with those near and dear to your heart this year. And when you hear your favorite Christmas songs, may they bring back a lot of fond memories of those Christmases long, long ago. From my family to yours, have yourself a very Merry Christmas. And here's hoping